Indonesia. I am grade 1 and also 6 years old. So, today is UN Day. So this is the flag that I made. This is an Indonesian flag. I colored it red and white. And I also use a lot of materials to draw it. And Bali is a part of Indonesia. I am using Balinese clothes. This is called kabayak. And also, today is UN Day. I feel very happy today. And when it is UN Day, I feel happy. And I hope everybody in this world is happy and peaceful so that they can be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.
I'm Sharia. I'm from grade 1. Today is UN Day. This is a flag. It is from India. There are 3 colors in the flag. The first one is orange. Orange means courage. White means peace. Green means growth. And the middle one means chakra. And I love my flag. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kita and I'm from grade 1. Today I will tell you about Singapore. Singapore is in Southeast Asia, and that country is small but they got many cultures. The first is Chinese, Indians, and Malay. They speak 3 languages: Malay, Chinese, and English. And this is the flag. The color is red and white. We got 1 crescent line and pentagon of 5 stars. They eat chicken rice, and I love chicken rice. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, my name is Goki. I'm from grade 1. I will show about UN. This is UN flag. Now I will show you my country. This is my country. I live at Japan, but I moved into Indonesia. My mom was living in Japanese, and then my dad is Indonesia. This is Indonesia flag, and Indonesia flag has a big place. There's a lot of people living. I will show some other flags. This is Poland. It's upside down Indonesia. Some people think it's like upside down Indonesia, but some other people think it's like different from Indonesia, just a little bit, because it's backwards. Thank you.
My name is Leslie, and I'm going to talk about America. America is on here. I'm an Indonesian citizen, but also American. Grand Canyon is a park with a river. The Statue of Liberty is a woman holding a torch. And here's the flag of America.
flag, and it has two colors. And the color is red and white. And I'm wearing a batik costume. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I'm Darren. Today, thought of the day from Mother Teresa. Peace begin with a smile. Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing. Thank you. Bye.